not clipped in, don't go to the edge. You guys all see this? We call this the hard L. Hard L. Hard L. This rope right there.
I don't know if I told you guys yet, but I love my job. Hello! Rescued some kittens. These kittens were born less than 2 hours ago. We are now on our way to Scott's house. He's like a millionaire that lives off the grid. His house is powered by car batteries and solar panels. We got Maddie, who is just so entertained right now. I would say his property is like a cat and kitten sanctuary. Yeah, like I said, this guy lives off the grid and we are still going, people.
Here we are, we're at his nice house in paradise.
Oh my gosh, there's a cat! Oh, I'm ready. This is the life. I've got a box full of kittens on my lap.
All right, mission accomplished. We delivered the kittens. The mama was very feral and tried to attack us. What are we on a mission for?
Steal wool.
We're stealing wool?
For steal wool.
Look at Maddie and all these hoes back behind her.